back to our channel. So today we thought we would show you a updated house tour. I mean, it's not done, but obviously since you guys last saw it, we've actually got furniture and
our furniture has been brought over. Some things are quite new, aren't they?
Yeah. So we thought, why not just show you guys a little bit more to the house? We know you guys are enjoying seeing in our house, and yeah, we love watching these kind of videos also. So let's just show you guys sort of an updated house tour. Okay, so you guys would have seen the kitchen and sort of this dining area kind of place before, but we've got like a little grey rug here, another grey rug there, a swimming pool outside which
that needs to go.
Which, yeah, we had that a little while ago. We've got this table that we had in the other house, which is from, is it the Range? The Range, and we've got some grey chairs and a little bit of fruit in this fruit bowl. If you come over here, sort of to separate in a way the dining-ish area and the kitchen, we've got this little table which we've just popped a little plant and a candle from Zara. The plant is from, where's the plant from? Oh, it's from Sainsbury's.
Yeah.
And this is actually from IKEA. So yeah, it is our kitchen. So it's very open, which we love. That's one thing we loved about this house. Ignore the breads behind us. We're actually having a barbecue later on today. We're actually having all of our family over to see the house and stuff, which would be really nice. Yeah, this is our fridge. It's from B&Q. Yeah, or Curry's. It's from Curry's actually. But yeah, this is our kitchen. Not much to it.
Just show you up a bit close. So it's just like that, and we all have sections like in the cupboards just because we find
so like these two are mine and Ben's, and those two are like Zeliha's, so and Ben's. So yeah, we like to have our own little sections. So if you follow me through here, this actually leads to the utility. Okay, so in here is actually our utility. So it literally just has everything that we need. So it has all of our cleaning stuff in there. We bring in our wash baskets when it's due a wash, so that's what we do. Obviously the hoovers in here, all the washing stuff, and the drying rack. And we also have a downstairs toilet in here, which we use sometimes if we're downstairs.
It's not done yet. We're going to do some organisation in there.
Okay, and then there's the front door, and then in this room here is going to be mine and Zeliha's office. So again, we haven't really done much to this room, but we have, we're going to have two of these stands because this one's Zeliha's dressing table, so this one's going to be moved probably upstairs, but we're going to actually have two of these ones, but we've only got one built, and we're going to have them side by side, and yeah.
Facing each other.
Facing each other. We just got a rug and then a throw and then our stand, because we put some stuff on there sometimes when we're filming, and there's the other one that we're going to build, and behind you is a load of mess.
Which we won't show you.
It's not that messy, it's actually quite tidy.
Ta-da!
Okay, moving into this room, this is our living room.
So this is the sofa, and we've got another sofa over there. We're going
to get more pillows, literally.
Yeah.
That's why there's only a random couple, so I'm just going to scatter onto this sofa. But yeah, we need some more pillows to go on this sofa. We have another one of those tables just there in the corner because I just think it gives a little something. With another plant, this plant is from Matalan, and then we've got a candle which is from Primark. And this big mirror is from the Range.
Yes.
So if you follow me upstairs, got a good bum shot right now. Thank you very much. Okay, so we might as well show the best room in the house. No, this definitely isn't. I'm joking. Right, so this is mine and Ben's bedroom. Ta-da! Okay, so this is my room. Just very minimal. I've got this cool plant from B&M. The basket is from IKEA. She copied me with this idea, by the way. I didn't. Yes, you definitely did.
You didn't. I've got this stand that Ayse has that she copied me.
Okay, I'll agree that I copied your stand, but you copied my plant.
So we've got this stand from IKEA. The boxes are also from IKEA, and this is just our TV.
Ben wants the lights on. Zeliha hates the lights.
That's his touch. That's Ben's little touch that I let him have. So here's just my clothes. These are just all my summer pieces and my lovely dresses. Anyone that's wondering, this is from a shop in Australia that I got last year, and Ayse's one is actually from Zara and it's in the sale. So yeah, then I just have my Alex drawers here, Just got all my makeup and stuff in there because I no longer have my beauty dressing table up here anymore. And then on this side we just have the two Marl, I think they're called Marl drawers. These are just free drawers. They actually have my clothes in there, and Ben's on that side. Then I've just got my, at the moment, perfumes. In here I just have my jewellery, and yeah, just a candle and my Lancome perfume, my Lancome candle that I love. And moving on to my bed, those pillows are from B&M, and the
These
pillows
ones
behind are also from B&M. This throw here is from Primark, and my white bedding is from Argos. Okay, so moving on to my ensuite. This is my bathroom. This is all I've got at the moment. If you guys would have watched our previous video on the house, you'd see that we bought this and I got it for £1. An absolute bargain from B&M. This is just my shower. I've just got, if you want to know what shampoo and conditioner I use that. And then the Snow Fairy shower gel, which I absolutely love. This rug is from The Range, which I absolutely love. And yeah, we also got these from The Range as well. Or was that B&M? No, that's from B&M. They're from B&M. Yeah. Then Ayse got me this little elephant that I've had for ages now. Where'd you get that from? On holiday, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mallorca.
So I've still got that. And that's from Zara. It's a Zara candle, which they don't do anymore, I don't think. But yeah, so this is my room. Hope you enjoyed it. And then we have the shower room. This is what Ayse and Ben use because obviously we've got ensuite. So this is just their bathroom. They've got a lovely plant. Where's your plant from? Matalan plant.
We don't have, this bathroom is actually quite small, so we don't actually have much storage space. So because like everything's kind of grey in here, I got this grey little thing to put all our stuff in. So obviously all my cleansers and the shower gels and stuff that I use and shampoos.
Which is from Primark, isn't it?
The little thing.
Also from Primark?
No, the rug's from B&M's.
B&M's. And this is just Ayse's bathroom. In there is not done either, so we'll avoid that one. That's just another spare room, and it's just going to be our filming room.
So now onto my room. So this is my room. This is the room that we tend to film in the most. Yeah. I don't know what to say about it. So here's our tiny telly.
Laptop.
That we're going to get a new one of because we need a bigger telly. The same stand as Zeliha, which is from IKEA with the two little pockets. But I came home one day and Ben bought me some flowers, which is really cute, and it goes with the room, so I like that. This is from Sainsbury's, which I also really like. I love plants. We've got another plant here, which is from IKEA. This is also...
Wait, sorry, she's also got these drawers.
These drawers are from IKEA. I just keep a lot of beauty stuff in there. And then I've got my makeup actually in this little box, my everyday makeup. And then I've just got this mirror on the wall, which is from... I think it's from IKEA. And then my bedding is, the sheets and stuff are all from Primark. This little thing is from Tiger. The pillows, I have no idea where these are from.
I think they're from Primark.
We've had these for so, I think these these grey cushions are from Primark. These ones Ben's had for years, so I have no idea where they're from. But then we have a big plant here on the side of my bed, which is from IKEA, I think, and then the basket's also from IKEA. But to this side I have my kind of go-to clothes at the moment. It's all of my more summery, a lot of white, some of my jackets, and then a couple of Ben's coats as well. So on my side I like to keep them very simple. I don't like a lot going on.
Minimal, yeah.
My room is very plain. So yeah, I just have these two little baskets full of all my perfumes. Yeah, there's not much to say. My little ring that I try and wear a lot, but it's hard to when I'm at work. At the moment, if you're wondering, today I'm wearing this perfume, if you're wondering. But my all-time fave probably is the Dolce one, and it's the Garden. I love it. It smells so summery. If you want a summer scent, this one's so good. And Zeliha got me into this deodorant.
Best deodorant in the world.
So that's those. And then Ben has a bigger one full of all of his stuff, like his shaver thing, aftershave, and then he has a cute little plant there. These bags are for my little sisters. We got them a couple of bits and they're coming today, so I'm super excited to see them. Then beside our bed we have a little sort of like a table. I'm using it as a table, bedside table. We have a plant on there from IKEA, a candle from Primark, and then we just got our laptop and the controller.
Did you say where that's from?
This is from B&M.
Yeah.
B&M, yeah. My rug is from...
It's the same rug that I have in my bathroom, but this is the longer version. Yeah.
This one is from B&M also.
No, it's from the range.
It's from a range, sorry. But yeah, I just feel like it gives a little something to this room because it's quite plain. But that's just how I like it. And then that was here when I got here, so we just left that.
Both of our rooms' lights are not staying.
Yeah, so this was my bedroom.
So this is our house tour at the moment. Obviously we've only recently just moved in, so it's probably not going to stay like this. There is a lot more that we're going to do to the house. There's some stuff that we're going to change, but we wanted to give you a little something just to show you sort of what we've done at the moment, so that you guys can give us some advice what you think we should do where or here or there, or what should we change, just because we like your advice and we like to know and we need help because it's quite hard doing this, not gonna lie. It is.
But
it is actually.
Yeah, why am I like slouching down? If I just stand back here, then I could just stand.
You can.
But yeah, it's we're meant to be having a barbecue today, and it looks like it's about to rain, which is so sad.
It is very annoying.
I look like I
But oh well, all the family's coming together, so we're really excited about that. But yeah, we just thought we would film this video for you guys, so we really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments down below, and we'll catch you in our next one.
Thanks for watching. Bye.